This is the brief on Nova RL. So you know how data pipelines are constantly breaking just because the incoming data is dirty, missing, or totally malformed? Well, that's exactly why Nova RL was built. It's this incredibly smart AI training ground that simulates and autonomously fixes all that messy data for us. First, think of Nova RL as a literal flight simulator for data cleanup. The AI agent acts like a player looking at batches of really noisy tabular data, making structured decisions to either fix, quarantine, promote, or just do nothing. It's a repeatable loop where the agent actually learns from every single move with zero human rules involved. Second, let's talk about the tech stack making this happen. It's fully Google native, powering the brain with Gemini 2.5 Flash, handling session memory through Firebase, and running the whole shebang on Google Cloud Run. The environment tests these agents across 3 difficulty levels. You've got easy for your standard nulls and duplicates, medium, and then hard, where things get crazy with correlated failures and complex schema drift. Finally, let's look at the real-world results. Creators Arian and Adia actually built this project for the Hack to Scale Build with AI challenge. Right now, their baseline agent hits an awesome 80% on easy tasks, about 54% on medium, and 47% on hard. Now that 47% on hard really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Is complex schema drift just still way too tough for current LLMs? Or does it simply prove exactly why we need a training environment like this for agents to continuously practice and improve over time? Nova RL proves the future of data engineering isn't writing endless manual cleanup rules, but deploying autonomous agents that actually learn to do the dirty work for us.
This is the brief on the Nova RL Control Panel UI. First, the setup phase is a lot like booting up a video game. In Step 0, Model and API Setup, you pick a provider like Gemini and securely drop in a temporary API key. Next up, Step 1's Initialize Session boots the system and grabs a fresh session ID. Then in Step 2, Select Task, you pick your difficulty tier, like Easy, which triggers a full backend reset. All right, so the game is set up, which means it's time to actually make a move. Second, we dive into the operational core. Step 3, Observe State, fetches the live backend environment, showing exactly what your active task is, the current step, and the steps remaining. Then there's Step 4, the Decision Engine, where you execute valid actions, set thresholds, add notes, or, honestly, just let the AI run automatically. This wraps the sequence.